Hey guys, welcome to this new case study video. I am Jason Thomas, co-founder of Blusteak Media, and today I'll be explaining you three simple steps that we took to get 10 ROAS for a client of ours. Talking about the client, they are one of India's leading stationery brands. They sell journals, sketchbooks, diaries, all this stuff. Very interesting brand. And coming to the concerns, as usual, if you talk with all the performance advertisers out there, they will say one of the they'll unite around this cause, that is iOS 14 update, right? So that was also one of our concerns about how Facebook ads has become non-scalable and non-profitable after the update, um, and we were trying to overcome that. And these are the three things that eventually got us responses, right, and good ROAS of 10, right? So number one is that we thought that okay, Instagram Reels is this new thing, have been around for 1.5 years, and recently Facebook also launched a placement in Instagram Reels also. And since this was a brand which sells journals to people who are ambitious, who are productive, who wants to draw, who wants to document all this stuff, the visual appeal is very important, right? So Instagram Reels is one of the best places out there in the internet to showcase beautiful stationery products. So instead of just going for a carousel ad or stuff like that, we decided to focus a lot on Instagram Reel ads, and we created videos for that and started pumping it out, right? Second one is also in the first point, the brand created the videos. Second time, we cannot create huge amount of videos from the brand side, right? It will cost a hectic fee and we won't be able to test a lot of things, right? It's not scalable, but we needed to scale the Instagram Reel ads. Hence we move towards user-generated ads, which could be either given by the influencers that we collaborate with or people who are just customers who send us videos, right? We took those videos. Those could be unboxing videos, those could be um, artist drawing in on the journals that are provided by the brand. All this stuff is included in this user-generated ads. So it helped us test a lot of different video ads. Instead of spending a lot of money on a single ad, we could basically get a lot of videos sent in by our customers, right? So we took it, we started promoting that. It worked brilliantly. Third one, now we have a huge amount of data in our hands. People, the top of the funnel and the middle of the funnel is full, right? Now we just have to retarget all the people that we have that are warm, right? And we also kind of brought in a countdown timer with an offer, retargeting these audiences, telling that okay, uh, the offer is going to end soon. And also we sent across a remarketing ad in which it was also a video reel ad, right? uh, and these are the three simple stuff that worked well for us. You can also try it for your clients or your own brand, and you can come back and leave a comment and let us know, right? So that's it from my side. This is Thomas signing out, and stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. We are bringing out 2 or more case studies every month, which will definitely interest you, right? Bye guys.